Hi there, my name is Ramon. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to tell you about a great way for making money from Redbubble. That way we are talking about today is different from any hard efforts you know about Redbubble, like making designs and chasing trends and occasions and events and searching for Redbubble tags and keywords and being always worried about getting your designs up in the search results for organic sales and so on. That way we are talking about is different from that, and really it is a great way for making money from Redbubble indirectly. Okay, so stick with me in this video and don't miss any part of it. The key point here in this way is by promoting Redbubble, or in other words, acting as an affiliate for Redbubble. Yes, you hear me well, just affiliate for redbubble.com. So first of all, how we can promote redbubble.com, how we can be affiliate for Redbubble. First of all, there are two sites or platforms through that you can promote Redbubble. The first site is flexoffers.com. Flexoffers.com, and the Flex Offers, it is a huge network that contains thousands of brands and affiliate programs, including redbubble.com. And to be approved to this network, you need to have a website or at least a free blogger as one of their requirements. So after you getting approved within 2 days, afterwards you come here to this homepage and go to advertisers, and now we can search for Redbubble to promote it. Okay. So we are going to the search bar and simply type Redbubble like that, Redbubble affiliate partner program, and go there. And here you will find Redbubble affiliate partner program. The payout of this program is 8% of sales. Your commission will be 8% of sales. As you see, currently I am an affiliate for Redbubble, and as you are a new member to Flex Offers, you just see this blue button for joining this platform or joining this program. Okay, so after your approval within 2 days, just click on this. And here in this page, you can promote any category of Redbubble, like t-shirts, stickers, greeting cards, and so on. You will get 8% of any sales. And the best thing that features Flex Offers, it's the deep link feature, which means if you want to promote a special design or a special item or product, if you want to promote a t-shirt of a design of current trend, just you can use the deep link feature. I will explain this. Just go example for one of these categories, like this view link. Okay. Here you will see the HTML code and the link to promoting this category. Okay. This gifts and flowers and collectibles. A little below you will find the search bar of deep link URL, which means you can insert there the URL link of the special item or the special design you want to promote individually. I will give you an example. We will go to redbubble.com like that, and we will randomly choose any product or any design like this one. Okay. So if you want to promote this t-shirt individually, okay, just pick up this URL link, copy, and come back to Flex Offers here and paste this URL in the search bar. Go to this generate shorts, which gives you a short unique link of this special product. Okay, just copy. Let's try it in another browser. Paste, and here is your customer will land directly for this t-shirt. and if purchase this t-shirt, you will get paid from Redbubble 8% of this sale. Okay, and to know how to sign up for Flex offers with simple steps, simply going to Flex offers like that. Okay, and get started from here. You choose publisher and affiliate, sign up quickly. Here you can fill some details about yourself, like name, email address, and the password. Okay, just and go to for this agreement, terms of and conditions above, and you will transfer to the next page. You can fill in some details about your company, about your address, your phone number, and the third step is about verification your Blogger or your website, as we said before. Just you can copy the HTML code and insert it for your Blogger or your WordPress site. That's it. Okay, and within 2 days you get approved in flexoffers.com, and you can already promote any brand and any affiliate program. So the first platform here to promote Redbubble.com is flexoffer.com. Okay, the second network I will talk about for promoting Redbubble is Yazing.com. And honestly, Yazing is an ideal network for any beginner in the affiliate marketing field. Generally speaking, Yazing.com is a cashback site of many brands like Bluehost and CoinPay and so on. So as being a Yazing member, after joining this awesome platform, you have two options. Either you can shop to earn cash back, or you can promote this program to earn commission or cash back reward. So in our case, for promoting Redbubble, just we are going to the search bar and search for Redbubble. Okay, Redbubble like that. And here you will find this program of Redbubble, and you will get 10% cash reward. Either you are shopping from Redbubble, or you can promote it to earn this commission or this cash reward. Okay, just click over it, and here you can just copy this link to promote Redbubble. Okay, and if any customer purchase any item or products from Redbubble, you get cash reward of 10% of sales. And here below there are many deals and offers from Redbubble which help you to get sales. Just you can use this eye-catching offers and these discounts to attract customers to purchase. And you know, people always love offers and discounts. So now you know both sides for promoting Redbubble and making money from it indirectly by being an affiliate for this great site. And here we reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Goodbye.